Let's go get some bass. Boom!
What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fish and Grubs. All right, folks, so today is January 8th. I am about to re-edit the episode from Christmas Eve. I put the whole thing together, and when I was exporting it to my hard drive, because my editing setup is atrocious, when I exported it to my hard drive, something happened and I lost the file. Earlier in the editing process, I deleted a bunch of files from early in the morning, the setup and the first 2 or 3 fish that Chris and I caught. Luckily, Chris was able to get me his footage from the morning. For me, it was really special, and hopefully I can edit it together almost as good as the first time. I keep thinking about that Tenacious D song, the greatest song in the world. Here's to a late Christmas episode. Happy holidays, everyone. I know they're long gone, but I hope everyone had a great one, and I hope you enjoy this really special episode. Do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. See you out there.
Oh, it's sideways. Fish on. Oh, something. Ooh, it's a big pickerel.
We'll take it.
Oh, yeah, all right. I thought it was really, really big.
We will freaking take it.
Woo! Oh, flag. Not going anywhere. Might have just tripped walking by it, you think? Oh, there it goes.
Yep. Wait, where'd it go?
Yep. Ooh. No, it's a bass. Yep.
Yes.
It's a nice bass.
Yes.
Hold on, I'm not horsing him. I'm letting him take it.
Yep.
Oh, buddy. Oh, don't spit it. Oh. Yes. Woo! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Woo!
All right, let's get that out of him.
Yep. Oh, yeah, right there in the gill. Yes! Stay out here all day.
Let's get a close-up of him. Go. That's a nice fish.
Good to go? That's nice out of here. Thanks, bud.
Fine with that. Yeah, bro!
Woo! Woo! Yes! Oh!
Yep. Oh, it came off.
Oh, what was it?
I don't know. There's the shiner. Flag.
Flag!
Can you, we want to get this back down.
Come on, dude.
No, we want to get this back down. This had 2 shiners on it. Then whatever that was felt big. This flag has been on fire. I grabbed it at the wrong side. It was going that way. And when that was just terrible. Everything about that was terrible. Yeah! Woo!
Dude, putting it down there and he got the bass!
Woo!
All right.
I told you. Like, let's get. I was like, what are you doing? This is why you got to get your tip up back down, ladies and gents.
Literally.
Okay, I want a bigger bass, so we're not going to take a picture of you.
Day south. Day south.
We got bass. All right, whatever's got this one, if it's still on, it's been on.
Yep.
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 Nope.
No.
Maybe.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
What?
What?
Oh boy.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. That's a nice size one though. Take that guy. There.
running?
Yeah. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh. Woo! Yes. Much better than the dink I got.
Yes. Oh, yeah, it's going.
Oh, God. Yes. Woo! Another bass on the ice, baby.
Yes. Oh, dude.
That's a me job?
That's a cutter.
No, I got it.
You think so?
Hold that.
All right, here we go. Dr. Grub. What do you think, Mr. Grub? I'm going to take it. Excellent.
Awesome. Mr. Tight Lines strikes again.
There we go. Oh, hey, look, he gave us a prize. Look, it's still kicking.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's running, dude.
Lucky tipper.
Yep. Come on, bud. Ooh. Ooh.
Woo!
They're going for it when they hit it, huh?
Santa's got another bass. Yeah. Woo! Mama perch.
That.
That's good.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice little perch.
Little perch. You know why I'm so happy to see him? So we've been jigging for like 3 hours with nothing. So, ready?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you could see, we had a ton of action today so far. We got a couple hours left out here from what seemed to be like this place probably couldn't hold a single fish, with it being like not too deep at all anywhere. We thought there was going to be a 10-foot spot. There's literally nothing over 5 foot, but it obviously houses some good fish. But anyways, hopefully we get a couple more. I'm gonna have Chris over here, Mr. Tight Lines, put his channel up here somewhere for you. He's gonna tell you a little bit about why we're here at this private little pond.
This is Twin Ponds here in Barnstead, New Hampshire. It is a private area. Back in 1940 or so, 41, 42, this was a stocked pond. I believe he had bass brought in, and you could pay 75 cents a day to come fish this lower or the upper Twin Pond. I guess that went till about the 70s. I don't know what happened. So fast forward like 40, 50 years and here we are. The place doesn't get fished much, and it's evident. I fished it once this summer and it was rapid fire.
Yeah, so what got us here today? Why did she say that we could come fish this private pond?
One day, this very nice lady hits me up on Facebook and she says, you know what? We have similar common interests. You love fishing, we love fishing. I lost my father, you know, last year, a little bit more than that. Her husband had lost his father. And, you know, I bought a drone, they bought a drone. They were looking for an escape to, you know, get out and do things in nature, and fishing was one of them. And when they saw me posting about my YouTube, Mr. Tight Lines, link somewhere.
Again? Link it 5 times.
link. They contacted me and said, you know what, we have these ponds and we'd really like you to come fish it and let us know from a fisherman's standpoint, because they don't consider themselves much of one, though some pictures of some of their fish would you know, impress you for sure. We're gonna see, maybe they'll keep letting me come back here, which she is very hospitable, and I think she will. And we'll come back here a bunch, Grubby and I, and we'll fish the heck out of this place, see if we can get the 5 or 6 pounder that just might be in here.
Woo! Unbelievable. Impressions change fast, huh? Guess I shouldn't have doubted the place.
Ooh, it felt good.
Yeah! Nice! Woo!
Yeah, another bag. A flag! I was about to say, I feel like there's a flag.
It's on fire right now. Put him down.
Yeah!
All right, we gotta reset.
He's slipping into the crust. Here he is. Stupid thing. That way. No! No, you dumb fuck.
Oh my God.
What?
Woo!
All right!
Oh man.
Whoa.
End of the day bass. How about that, folks? I said it, didn't I?
Yep.
Nice. Final fish. Wow. Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Fishing Grubs. Fish on! Here, there's a shiner, bro. You just went the wrong way. You totally went the wrong way. Hey, hey, chill. Peace, brother. Yeah! That's the way to end an episode right there. Merry Christmas, everybody.